In this video I am going to explain the CODECHEF September long challenge problem, shuffling parties. What does this AI plus I mod 2 imply? If I is odd and AI is even, then AI plus I mod 2 would be 1, and if I is even and AI is odd, then result would be 1. And in all other cases the value would be 0. So we need to maximize the number of ones in the final array, B. Which tells that we need to place maximum number of odd terms in even positions and even terms in odd positions. Consider this example. So what is the number of odd terms? It is 1. What is the number of even terms? It is 2. And what is number of odd positions, considering positions starting from 1? It is 2. And what is the number of even positions? That is 1. So what is the optimal way we can place one odd number in one even position and two even numbers in two odd positions? You guessed it, it is the minimum of number of odd positions and even terms added with the minimum of number of even positions and odd terms. Let's have a look at the simple Python implementation of the logic.